Smartie! Hello, little explorers. It's Smartie here. Today, we're going to learn all about the wonderful forest and the amazing animals that live there. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! The forest is a magical place, full of tall trees, colorful plants, and lots of different animals. It's like a big, green playground for nature. But before we start our adventure, let's talk about how we should behave in the forest. When we're in the forest, we need to be very careful and respectful. Here are some important rules. Stay on the paths. This helps protect the plants and animals. Be quiet and listen. We can hear the animals better and not scare them away. Don't pick the flowers or disturb the animals. The forest is their home, and we should leave everything as we found it. Clean up after ourselves. We should always take our trash with us to keep the forest clean. Now, let me introduce you to some of the amazing animals that live in the forest. 1. This is a deer. Deer are gentle and graceful animals with long legs and big ears. They love to eat plants like leaves, grass, and berries. During the day, you might see them walking around or resting in the shade. At night, they are more active and look for food. Remember to be very quiet if you see a deer so you don't scare it away. Now, let's meet the clever fox. Foxes have bright orange fur and bushy tails. They are very smart and like to hunt for food like rabbits, birds, and even insects. Foxes are mostly active at night, which means they are nocturnal. They use their sharp hearing and sense of smell to find their dinner. Isn't that amazing? Look up in the tree. It's an owl. Owls are wonderful birds with big, round eyes that help them see in the dark. They sleep during the day and come out at night to hunt for mice and other small animals. Their hooting sound is how they talk to each other. Can you hoot like an owl? Hoo-hoo! Listen to that sound. It's a pack of wolves. Wolves are like big, wild dogs that live and hunt in groups called packs. They have strong teamwork and communicate with howls. Wolves are active both day and night, looking for food and taking care of their pack. They are very important for keeping the forest healthy by controlling the populations of other animals. Look over there, it's a bear. Bears are big and strong with thick fur that keeps them warm. They love to eat berries, fish, and honey. Bears spend a lot of time looking for food and taking long naps, especially in the winter when they hibernate. And here we have a wild boar. Boars are like wild pigs with tough snouts they use to dig for roots and insects in the ground. They live in groups called sounders and are always on the move, looking for tasty treats. Oh, and there's a hedgehog. Hedgehogs are small and covered in spiky quills. They love to eat insects, worms, and snails. When they feel scared, they roll up into a tight ball to protect themselves. Let's not forget about the rabbits, raccoons, skunks, squirrels, and moose. They all play important roles in the forest, too. And there are so many other birds, bugs, mice, and more that make the forest their home. The forest is truly a busy and beautiful place, full of life. We've learned so much today about how to behave in the forest and about the wonderful animals that live there. Remember, the forest is their home, and we should always be kind and respectful when we visit. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, little explorers. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of nature. Bye-bye.